watching Mortal Kombat 2 and opening up Magic the Gathering, Yu-Gi-Oh! Tins. Here you go.
What do you have there? It's nothing. Jade? It was 20 years ago today the Emperor named me as her bodyguard.
Moisier Attack, Cowabunga, Anchovy and Banana Pizza, High Flying Ace,
but you treated me like
Crustacean Commando,
like
Ice Cream Kitty, Moisier Mark III, Lessons of Life,
in every way
Everything Pizza, West Wind Avatar, Michelangelo Game Master,
I got you something.
April O'Neil Hacktivist, Zog Triceraton, Castaway, Mountain,
princess is supposed to
and
sit around on pillows fanning herself.
On to the next one, I guess.
Then I thought, you are not exactly the pillow type. These are amazing.
Nice.
I was beginning to think you were avoiding me.
I've been busy.
Sweet, and it comes with the Obelisk or Tormentor deck.
Good.
3 booster packs.
Nailed the gods for the tournament to begin. Let Ravens scrounge for his little champions. They will simply be the first to die. And Earthrealm will be mine.
Why is he here?
I have a task for Shang Tsung. I hope you bring the new sorcerer.
My spies have located the relic. It was last seen in Raiden's temple, where it was stolen by the mercenary Kano.
You sing Senju Kama 2.
It is said the amulet can heal any wound.
Whoa.
Transform a man into a
cards,
god.
To charge the amulet would require an impossible amount of power. We would need to capture a star from the heavens.
A star.
Nice.
You're a god. Outworld has issued their challenge, and the elder gods have spoken. When the sun is gone, the first round
Right,
will
on to the
begin.
next one.
Mortal Kombat is upon us. And yet, we are still short one
2025
champion.
Megaton. Cool. So we get. Duo Drive, Fish Lamp, Tears of the Afterroot, Mimical Fork, Max Metamorph, Surveus Dragon Sage of the Voiceless Voice, Bistal Baldrake, nice, Dora, Goblin Crazy Beast, Glirstrom Grave Squirmer, Azamenia Determination, White Sardine, Butterfly Fish. Next pack. Oh. Ragnarika Mantis Monk, Yellow Ninja, Denial Deity Doton, Ruby Sapphirus, the Animate Jewel. Nice. Sunset Beat. Embers of the Ash End. Whoa. Friendship Sequence. Blue Ice Tyrant Dragon. Nice. Ancient Gear Commander. Memetilian Tusigo. Lo, the Prayer of the Voiceless Voice, Sinful Spoil Subdole, Ragnarika Armored Lizard, and last pack magic. Let's do it. Mermal King Nympha Abyss. Guilt of the sinful spoils.